Hi, my name is Ricky. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to work on to getting on into flashing arrow. Let's get started. Please warm up first before we start. Now, first progression, fast prep. Come down into forearm and knees. Move the right hand closer toward the right knee. Place the right wrist underneath the right elbow. Deep inhale into your core. Exhale, wrap the shoulders, send the hips towards the ceiling, straighten up the legs. In this one, focus on wrapping the shoulder, pressing the left forearms towards the ground, right hands towards the mat. Also send the heels towards the earth. Now deep breathing. You may stay here or lifting the left legs up. Reach towards the left heels. It will help you find the lightness in your body. Now lower down the legs, switch hands. Deep inhale, spread the upper back. Exhale, wrap the shoulder, relax your neck. Keep focus on pressing on the right forearms and left hand. You may stay here or rise the right leg. Deepen up the breath. There is no point on holding your breath. Slowly lower down the legs, lower down the knees. Sit up. In the next progression, you need a block. Come up into flash prep with a block behind the right wrist. Exhale, move the right shin towards the right tricep and hug the right elbow towards the right armpit. Stage 1, stay here. Stage 2, right foot off the block. Now focus on wrapping the shoulder and pressing the forearms and hands towards the mat. The aim on this pose is to keep pressing on the forearm and hands so you feel the lightness on the left foot. Breathe deeply. Next stage, working on into lifting the left legs up towards the ceiling. Deep inhale, wrap the shoulder. Exhale, lift the left heels towards the sky. Now focus on reaching towards the left heels so you feel the lightness on the forearms and hands. Breathe deeply. Slowly lower down the left foot. Lower down the knees. Flashing arrow. Come down into flash prep position with the right shin on the right tricep. Right foot off the floor. Relax the neck. Deep inhale into your core. Exhale, wrap the shoulder. Rise the left heel towards the sky. In this one, focus on wrapping the shoulder, press the hands and forearms towards the mat, lift towards the left heels, right knee hugging towards the armpit. Deepen up the breath. Slowly lower down the left foot, lower down the knees. That's the end of our practice today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Comment below what you want me to post later on. See you next time.